folks. Got a special present here today. Oh, all the stickers. We got the shorty, little bar wrench, the Husqvarna, and there we go. The Ripsaw 572. Looks like you even get the Ripsaw exhaust. And looks like Ripsaw sent me the full wrap, even though I think they sent me a full wrap. Wow. This is pretty cool. So, okay. So I got the Ripsaw 572. It is imported. I got the 32-inch bar, just the Husqvarna. I might switch over my Tatsumura from my 661, but I think this will just mainly be my felling saw. Now I say that about every saw, but every saw becomes just a work saw. We'll get back to you. Alright, so Husky always confuses me a little bit, but I got it on. You have to pull it back, engage it, then pull it back. It doesn't make much sense to me, but I got it. I'm gonna loosen this up a little bit. I'm gonna get it a little tighter because it's gonna loosen up. There we go. Wow, that's nice, guys. Team Ripsaw. That's a nice saw. Look at that. The sights are nice on this side. $572 XP. really stoked about this. Like, what am I gonna do about the T25 and a T27, which is great because that's what you need for almost every bolt on the still, and I guess that's Husqvarna. For almost every bolt on the still, and I guess that's Husqvarna. I had, or I still have, it's just I poked a hole in the gas tank of my what is it, a T540 Mark III, and I poked a hole in the gas tank, and it's getting repaired right now by my friend, but that was my first Husky. And here's my second. I went all out. Looks pretty simple. Just a paper exhaust. I wonder if you can get an oil air filter for it. I like this little bar nut too. Sweet. Okay, well, I'd say it's time to go start and cut some wood with this thing. All right. So, that's a big old Doug fir to test this thing out on. We'll fill it up and crank it over and then do a couple cuts. I'm not gonna do like a little cut, I'm gonna do 16 because this is my firewood. I got fucking Billy Ray Smith got me on, or just watching the videos, got me on the DGP. And then I just run the still mix for 2.5 gallon mix. Super excited. I've been waiting. So I ordered this before I even started my company. I ordered this when I was working with my last, not my last company, but the last company I was working with before I started my own. And that was probably a year ago, because I had my old 660 and the manifold bolt cracked off, and so my buddy's trying to fix that, and I bought a 660 in the meantime because I had to have a bigger saw because I have a 400, which I'm kind of curious how the 400 will, I mean, it's less cc, but oh yeah, if anyone, or rip saw, am I supposed to leave this? That seems like it would block chip, but anyway. Okay, give it a couple pumps. 2, 3, 4, and choke. Like Billy. Fired. Wow. Very nice. Very, very, very nice rip saw. Wow. That's my new favorite saw, for sure. All right, let's just try the 660 for fun. Now the 660 is not ported. It has the West Coast saw exhaust and just an oil air filter. Much lighter. The Husky is much lighter. But I know that 660 has a more power. Wow. Good job, rip saw.